I'm Matt Buell with the Woodworking Network, and today we're here at industry-leading SCM. And to help me understand more about SCM, I've got Mark. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, please?
Yes, of course. My name is Mark Craig. I'm the Vice President of Sales of SCM North America. And SCM is a company that offers machines to the entire industry. In fact, we started joinery machinery and we go all the way up to entire factory installation. So that's the peculiarity of our company.
So before we get started, let's meet the CEO, Fabrizio.
Hi everybody, I'm Fabrizio Anzalone, the new CEO of SCM. I'm here at the show in Atlanta, in our headquarters. Fantastic atmosphere. We are really pleased to have you on the boat. So I speak up with a lot of customers in those days, and it's incredible how they want to have automation solution. We are having a lot of solution, robotic solution, and we are happy to show. Contact us and have a good time here at the show. And of course, all solutions other than automation, my friends can help you out. So have a great show here at the RWF show.
Okay, so we have an exciting new development at SCM. It's called the Control Room. And to help us better understand it, we have the opportunity to learn about it from Manuela.
Yeah, thank you so much, Matt. Yeah, we are very excited to introduce here at this IWF 2024 Control Room. Basically, when it comes with, we are very interested at SCM in combining machines with software and services. And when it comes to services, we are invested a lot in digital technologies to enable a new type of services. We are interested in providing our customers machines productive machines. So to enhance machine productivity, the whole life cycle of the machines, Control Room helps to do that, providing our customers with a proactive type of support. Basically, all our machines are connected to the internet. And because of that, and thanks to that, we are able to identify insights, significant situations before they occur. So not only the customers can call us for a given incident, but it is SCM service from North America that is able to anticipate the call, just investigating with the customer the given situations and providing the customers prescriptions so that the customers is advised about the best action to take. So it is a very incredible innovation. And so basically we provide productive machines, but the customers can use these machines in the most productive way because he is assisted by our service thanks to this type of proactive support.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So they're looking out for your machines and looking after them while you're working for you.
Yeah, and this map represents all the machines that we are connected in the United States of America. The machines with the latest technology, we have more than 400 machines, and of course this number is picking up. You know, all these customers can receive this type of proactive support.
That's incredible. So now we know all these machines are being monitored by the Control Room. So now we probably ought to go see some of these machines. Okay, so now we're looking at hardware. What we have behind us is an incredible system of some massive machines. Mark, I'm gonna need you to walk me through the workflow you've got set up here.
I'd love to, Matt. We're very proud of this system. This system manages many stages of production, all the way from material storage, sorting, material handling, to your machines, whether it be a beam saw for high volume cutting or a nesting CNC for the more intricate work. On top of that, it will then, over here you can see that it'll unload with a robot and it will actually sort the pieces. So it's basically unloading the router and it will sort them depending on how you want it, either by cabinet type or by part type or whatever configuration you prefer as a manufacturer.
It's incredible. It's pretty cutting edge. So, selfishly speaking, I have a smaller production shop.
Yeah.
And one of the most special things about y'all is that you cater to everybody.
We do.
Would you mind showing me some of the smaller production machines as well?
Of course, I would love to.
Lead the way, please.
Of course.
Okay, so this area excites me. There's some gorgeous smaller production machines here. And Mark, I want you to walk me through a few of the different options that a smaller production shop has when buying machinery.
Sure, of course, of course. You know, Matt, we make, as I said, a variety of machines, and here in this area we have joiners, planers, the traditional type of machines that everybody starts up with or uses in their as hobbyists or even in their smaller business. We have combination machines, which are very popular, which do all kinds of operations in one frame. And we have a very new technology which protects our fingers, which is we call the blade off, which as you're cutting pieces of wood, you want to cut wood, but you don't want to cut your fingers. So this technology protects your hands as you're cutting and won't allow the blade to get to your hands. So that's a huge innovation in the industry and something we're very proud of.
No one minds good safety stuff. No one minds. And also, one of the things I was noticing about the combination unit is, as far as the parts, it's all the same parts from the individual units.
It is.
So it's really well thought out.
Yeah.
Really well thought out.
It's made to fit in a smaller shop and give you all the features you need to be able to build whatever you're building without having to have individual units.
Yeah.
It's really a good idea. Very popular in Europe, becoming much more popular in America now.
I can see why. I mean, basically, you could take a smaller shop, buy this machine and put it in the center, and the workflow actually works around it like a clock instead of pathways.
Exactly right.
So it's really interesting, innovative thinking here. So from control rooms, monitoring, and keeping an eye on your equipment, to large machines, massive workflow, to smaller production with still innovative discovery, SCM has everything. Thank you for your time today, Mark.
It's my pleasure, Matt.